you use DJI Mic Mini and you want to update the firmware of this DJI Mic Mini or any DJI microphone, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll guide you how to update the firmware. First of all, what you need to do, open your phone setting, go to Bluetooth. Now, power on your DJI mic, and here is the pairing button. Just press and hold this button to connect DJI with your phone. You can see my phone is connected here with DJI Mic Mini, and this is the model number. Once Bluetooth is connected, go to the Apple Store and find this app, DJI Mimo. Download and install this app. After that, open and it will show you your DJI Mic Mini to pair. Just connect it here. Press on connect button and it is already connected via Bluetooth, so you will immediately be connected to your phone. Here you can set the indicator and everything. You will get a pop-up here. If you don't, just look at the top, new firmware available. Now go to install button here. It is downloading and installing new firmware on this DJI. And it's 70%, almost done. Once completed, just press on done button. Now it's 100% complete. Press on done button. Here is the message. Alright, now your DJI firmware has been updated. You can update any model. It doesn't matter if you are using DJI Mic Mini or any other microphone by DJI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.